In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text all uppercase in Canva. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating beautiful designs effortlessly, and knowing how to manipulate text can really elevate your projects. Whether you're designing a poster, social media graphic, or a marketing piece, making your text appear in all uppercase can make it stand out and give it a bold, polished look. So let's dive in and learn how to do just that. First, head over to the Canva website by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to canva.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't already have an account, it's quick and easy to set one up. But since most of you might already be familiar with Canva, let's move on after you've logged in. In Canva, you have the flexibility to create a new design from scratch, or bring up a previous design you've been working on. For today's tutorial, we'll focus on editing an existing design. This way, you can easily apply what you'll learn directly to your current projects. It's a great way to see these tips in action on something you're already familiar with. Now, once you've opened your design, locate the text that you want to convert to all uppercase. Simply click on this text element to select it. When you select the text, a toolbar should appear at the top of the canvas. This toolbar is your control center for all things text-related, including font, size, color, and, of course, text formatting options like uppercase. The option we are interested in today is the uppercase button, usually indicated by an icon featuring two uppercase letters, typically A. Clicking on this button will instantly transform all the text in your selected text box to uppercase letters. It's quick and easy, providing that bold text style with just a single click. Now, if you're someone who loves keyboard shortcuts for speed and efficiency, Canva has got you covered there too. You can achieve the same result by using a simple keyboard shortcut. Just press Ctrl-Shift-Escape simultaneously, and it will convert your selected text to all uppercase, just like magic. And that's all there is to it. Making your text uppercase in Canva is a straightforward process that can add impact to your design. Remember, using uppercase can enhance readability and ensure your message stands out, especially in designs that require emphasis. Keep experimenting with different styles and layouts to find what best suits your project needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.